pick up on the other side of the break right where we left off because I want to learn more about that. But are you suffering with knee pain? Are you listening to this and you're suffering with knee pain and this is all resonating with you? Have you tried all the pain treatments, the shots, the pills, and you're still suffering with chronic knee pain caused by either bone-on-bone arthritis, meniscus, a fall or accident? Have you been told that you need knee replacement? Here's the good news from Dr. Philip Yu, the doctor who teaches other doctors and founder of 21st Century Knee Pain Institute. You may now have hope of reducing or eliminating your pain with the new non-surgical, painless medical breakthrough with the West Coast's only laser-guided stem cell therapy. This new laser reduce or eliminate your knee pain in minutes. Imagine new knees in a day. If you have chronic knee pain, attend a special knee pain lunch and learn seminar and learn how this new laser stem cell treatment can give your old knees new life and start you on the path of living pain-free. Grab your cell phone, be one of the next 27 callers, and the knee pain lunch seminar is free. Dial pound 250 and say knee pain, and you'll be connected on your cell phone. Just dial pound 250 and say knee pain, and you get this education for free. Actually, have all of your questions answered. We can't answer everything on the air right now, but if you go to this seminar, you'll have all of your questions answered. So please do it. Pound 250 your cell phone. You're listening to Living Without Knee Pain. We're going to be right back after the break. Thank you for joining us.
You've been listening to Living Without Knee Pain with Dr. Philip Yu, the founder of 21st Knee Pain Institute. If you have chronic knee pain, attend one of Dr. Yu's free lunch seminars. Just grab your cell phone and dial pound 250 and say knee pain for the free knee pain lunch seminar. On your cell phone, dial pound 250 and say knee pain. And join us next time for Living Without Knee Pain with Dr. Philip Yu.
Are you suffering with knee pain? Have you tried shots, pills, yet you are still suffering with chronic knee pain? Torn meniscus, a fall or accident? Have you been told that you need a knee replacement? Here is good news. 21st Century Pain. You may now have hope of reducing or eliminating your pain with a new non-surgical painless laser stem cell treatment. The only laser-guided stem cell therapy. This new treatment may reduce or eliminate your knee pain in minutes, and Dr. Yu is using this treatment on NFL alumni players with their knee and back injuries. Here's a special offer. Dr. Yu is offering a special $97 new knees in a day exam that includes an infrared laser joint inflammation scan, a Neuro 7 nerve test, and X-ray MRI review. Normally $375, but just $97 for the first 50 and say knee pain. There is only a limited number of $97 exams, so on your cell phone dial pound 250 and say knee pain.
Welcome to Living Without Knee Pain with knee pain specialist Dr. Philip Yu, the founder of 21st Century Knee Pain Institute. If you suffer with knee pain, you will not want to miss the next 60 minutes where you can learn how to live pain-free without knee surgery. Now, with today's show, here is Dr.
Joined us for the first segment. It was fantastic, a fantastic
I want to ask, are you suffering with knee pain? Have you tried the shots, the pills, yet you're still suffering with chronic knee pain caused by bone-on-bone, torn meniscus, or maybe you had a fall or accident? Have you been told that you need knee replacement? This is the important part, because here's the good news from Dr. Philip Yu, founder of You may now have hope of reducing or eliminating your pain with a new non-surgical, painless laser stem cell treatment. The West Coast's only laser-guided stem cell therapy. This new treatment may reduce or eliminate your knee pain in minutes. Here's a special offer, so pay close attention. If you have chronic knee pain, Dr. Yu is offering a special $97 new knees in a day exam that includes an infrared laser joint inflammation scan, a Neuro 7 nerve test, X-ray MRI review, and a knee surgery plan. Normally $375, but today just $97 for the first 27 callers. To get this offer, grab your cell phone and dial pound 250 and say knee pain. There's only a limited number of $97 exams, so on your cell phone, dial pound 250 and say knee pain. This is a great value for anybody who's listening and wants to just jump right in and go see Dr. Yu at the office. So Dr. Yu, where we left off, you were talking about when somebody comes in, the scan that you're giving them for. You want to make sure you're taking a holistic approach. You're looking at the entire body and identifying, because it's not always localized to the knee.
Exactly. So I talked about, we do a nerve test when we check to see if the nerves that control the knee joint and muscles are working correctly or not. And if they're not working, then we can do some therapies on the spine to get those nerves firing correctly. And then we check the whole knee, the whole body structure. You know, again, if you have bow leg or knock knees, we have certain wedges you wear that help, unload the forces on the knee. A lot of doctors will prescribe what's called an unloader brace, to unload the knees, but it's very bulky and it gets hot, and after a couple weeks they throw it out. But we've just, and then we'll look at other factors like, so another cause of knee pain that a lot of people don't understand is a lot of times they're told, like I said, it's because it's bone on bone that's causing the pain, but people are told it's the weather, or you're overweight, and a lot of times the nerve that controls the knee that's not working properly, and if we can fix that, a lot of times we can avoid those surgeries.
So tell me about the actual therapy. What's happening? What is the stem cell therapy? How does it work? How does it help?
So before we determine, after we take a look at their structure, their whole body, the nerves, we will do a scan thermography test, and we have a special infrared laser we use that detects the temperature of the knee, and if the temperature is very high, we know what area of the knee has the most inflammation. Typically, if you have bow leg, you're going to have more inflammation on the inside of the knee. That's where the pain is, and the temperature will be high. If it's the outside of the knee, it'll be opposite. A knock knee, you're going to have more temperature wear and tear on the outside of the knee, and that will give us a laser accurate point of where we're going to put the umbilical cord stem cell to regenerate the meniscus, the function of the knee. Because stem cells are activated by inflammation and signaling. So we want to put the stem cells where the point of the knee that's hottest, if you will, has the most inflammation. So we don't want to waste those cells going to a part of the knee or body that doesn't have the inflammation.
So they're naturally activated.
Well, not naturally. There has to be some type of signal in your body.
Okay.
All right. The type of stem cell we use is called a mesenchymal, MSC in the industry, MSC, but I like to call them, instead of mesenchymal stem cell, medicinal signaling cell.
Okay.
Because they actually signal your body to repair itself. That's how they really work. They're like a fireman.
Yeah.
He's not going to go to a house that's not burning, right? A stem cell's not going to go to the knee if it doesn't have inflammation. So if I do my inflammation scan and you don't have inflammation, I'm not going to recommend the stem cell. It's not going to work. But if you have a high degree of inflammation, then I recommend the stem cell. Because you could think of a knee, if it's hot and has inflammation, arthritis, bone on bone, there's a lot of friction causing heat. That's what causing the swelling and pain.
Yeah.
So there's a signal in your body, and the stem cells will go to the knee and help regenerate it, get rid of the pain and inflammation. And then another stem cell, which is the Bob the Builder stem cell, will come repair the meniscus.
So you're using two different kinds of stem cells.
Exactly, yeah.
That's so crazy.
So one part of the stem cell fights the inflammation. It also has an immunomodulatory effect, so it fights infections, boosts your immune system. And then another part cell is not actually cells, they're called growth factors, like fibronectin, collagen, and that gives like a scaffolding or the basic building blocks, to.
Right. Yeah. You know what? I want to go to the phones, but before I do that, let me just ask: are you suffering with knee pain? If you've been listening to this and it's resonating with you and it's making sense, you may now have hope of reducing or eliminating your pain with a new non-surgical, painless medical breakthrough, the West Coast's only laser-guided stem cell therapy. You're listening to us talk about it right now, but if you want more information, this new laser treatment may reduce or eliminate your pain in minutes. If you have chronic knee pain, attend a special knee pain lunch and learn seminar and learn how this new laser stem cell treatment can give your old knees new life and start you living pain-free. Grab your cell phone, be one of the next 27 callers, and the knee pain lunch seminar is free. So dial pound 250 and say knee pain, and you'll be connected on your cell phone. Just dial pound 250 and say knee pain, and you get the education that we're only on the air for an hour, so we can give you bullet points as to what's going on and how this procedure works. But you're going to have more questions for your specific situation. You can go there and you can ask these questions. This is a free education for you, so please take advantage of it. Hit pound 250 and say knee pain. Dr. Yu, I'm going to jump back to the phones. We have a guest on, two-time Super Bowl champion wide receiver Billy D. Won the Super Bowl with the Cowboys and the Ravens. Billy, thank you for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me.
So before we get into why we're bringing you on a medical show, I wanted to ask you just a little bit. I mean, what was it like to play in the Super Bowl and the win?
Well, I'll give you some numbers, since a lot of people probably on this show identify with percentages and outcome scientifically. Only 0.03% of people who play football ever reach the ability to play it professionally. And I guess you could say there's even a finite number to win a championship, and there's even a smaller one to win it twice, and there's even a smaller one to win it in two different conferences. So given that analysis, I would say my experience with that, it was beyond amazing, and it's still, to this day, rewarding, and it's still hard to, take in that I accomplished such a feat.
So now let's get to why we're bringing you on the show. You were injured like many football players, and in retirement, you're having to deal with pain, and so you found Dr. Yu. What type of injuries did you have first?
So I've had injuries from head to toe. I've had 24 plus surgeries during my career and post-career orthopedically. Received over about, I've had documented, and I'm sure there's many more than this, 78 major concussions that I've had playing the game. So, let's just say I'll just go in general areas of my body.
Okay.
You have to have me repeat the entire show. So I've had it from both I've torn my patella completely off my kneecap. I've had both shoulders reconstructed, broke the orbital of my eye, many reconstructive surgeries on my feet and on my hands. So I am not only a veteran of the gridiron in the football field, but I am a veteran of the OR as well.
Yeah. So what particular injury brought you to Dr. Yu?
So, well, there's many of these. So I'm a director for healthcare for the NFL alumni. I've been in healthcare in many different facets, from orthopedic issues all the way through pharmaceutical issues. So what brought him to me is the progressive treatment options that into our membership. I was very, taken aback back in the day when all I had was the access to standardized medicine, I didn't really have or was informed very well, even though I was in the medical field, of some of these progressive therapies. And this was earlier in the stage of this, the spike of a lot of these access to these treatments. And over that time period, I've looked for pretty progressive, non-narcotic, non-invasive options, and that led me to Dr. Yu.
And do you believe that stem cells are the future for football players, keeping them on the field and treating them in retirement?
It's a piece of a puzzle of the larger tapestry of what's going on. Thank God there's some exciting, sharp, scientific minds out there that see and have the ability of this to really treat and address acute and some long lingering issues that plague someone, and really begin to open that key to not have body and giving up for something that you love to do. So I think this therapy, this regenerative space, is definitely a look into the future of possibilities of giving quality of life and a well-being, and yes, in some cases, extending the ability of such a severe career choice.
Now, you've actually partnered with the stem cell lab at this point. Is that correct? Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Correct. The NFL is always looking for opportunities to give its members and its ability to maybe